How to turn off online status on Messenger and Facebook. Start by opening Messenger on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right. Go to Settings. Tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down to What People See. Tap on Active Status. Toggle the option off. Select Until I change it, then tap on Pause. Now go to Facebook. Tap on the menu icon at the top right, then click on the gear icon. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Tap on Active Status. Toggle the option off. Tap on Turn Off to confirm, and that's it.